Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm very excited to share with you some brand new P+ colours. This is our first seasonal collection from Light Elegance in the new P+ formula, so I'm really excited to get started and share this with you, and I hope that you enjoy. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you the colours, comparisons to existing shades, but I firstly just wanted to touch on the packaging because this is brand new from Light Elegance. This is not anything that we've obviously seen before, and I really wanted to talk about it because I am so happy that the packaging is completely recyclable. It is cardboard, 100% cardboard, so it is completely recyclable, which is great. I really hope that we see more packaging like this. Obviously the buttercream collections come in cardboard packaging as well, but the colour gels come in plastic, so it would be great to see something like this from Ellie for the hard gel collections. I am actually probably going to reuse the box that they come in because I'm going to cut the tabs off. I store my P+ in drawers, so I'm going to cut the tabs off and stick them into the drawers that way to keep them nice and organised. But if you are going to throw the packaging away, then it's really useful to know that it is recyclable. So now that I've got on with that rant, I'm now going to leave you to check out the new colours with some music, and then I'll come back to you and share my comparisons for you. I'm going to start off with the glitter gel polishes. So up first is Pears and Pastries. The only ones really to compare this to is Breathless and Get Buzzed. Get Buzzed is our only kind of purpley toned glitter gel within the P+ range at the moment. And then we have Breathless, which is more of this kind of semi-sheer, soft sparkle, which I felt was nearest to the finish of Pears and Pastries, but hopefully you can see there the colours are different. Breathless is more of like a multi-coloured sparkle, while Pears and Pastries definitely keeps within that more bluey purpley tone. Next is Sweet Tea, which we have on the right of the screen, and I've just compared it here to Be In Your Bonnet, which is the only real similar comparison within the existing P+ range. Be In Your Bonnet is a lush glitter. It's one of my all-time favourites because it's been part of the hard gel range for a while, but it is more of a sheer, it goes well over any colour. Sweet Tea, you can see it's got that same kind of golden sparkle through it, but Sweet Tea has got more of that pigment, more of that peachy pink, so it's going to give more coverage over the nail. Meet Me by the Blueberries is our first light blue glitter in the range of P+, so I don't have anything to compare this to. This is a unique glitter into the P+ range and a very welcome addition. Next is a Spot by the Stream. This is a stunning transparent glitter. It's got big chunks in there as well, super shiny and blingy. I think that this one definitely has like a likeness to Ice Cream You Scream, but it has that more like silveriness to it as well, with the bigger metallic silver chunks as well. I've also compared it to Tiny Diamond because these two are the only real comparisons for this one within the current P+ offering. But if your clients like that super blingy, the slightly more chunky glitters, they will love a Spot by the Stream. Cucumber Sandwich is again a new addition to the collection, as in we don't have anything that's on the green spectrum within the glitter gel range at the moment. I have just compared it to Breathless, again just because it is another super fine glitter. The size of the sparkle is more or less the same, but Cucumber Sandwich definitely has more of that green tone, whereas Breathless is more of that transparent with the multi-sparkle through it. Next is You Bring the Wine. I love this glitter. This is like a true rosy gold, multi-sized chunks in there. Again, a really great one if you have clients that love that super blingy, sparkly look because the chunks are bigger through here. We also do have some fine ones. For comparison, I've compared it to Champagne on the left. You can see Champagne is a lot more full coverage. It's a bit more on that golden tone, whereas You Bring the Wine, it's a little bit more transparent, so it picks up the colour that you apply underneath it if you do want to apply a colour under it. And it is also more of that kind of rosy, almost bronzy tone running through it. Really, really nice, and definitely a welcome addition to the P+ range because we do not have a rose gold yet. Moving on to our colour gel polishes and starting with Under the Shade Tree. This is the first green that we have in the new P+ collection. So a very, very welcome addition. I really hope that we get some more greens within the P+ range, but happy to see the first one in there for sure. The next one is Blue Skies Ahead, and I've compared this here to the two existing blues within the P+ range. So we have Pika Blue on the left and Blue Velvet in the middle, but you can see that Blue Skies Ahead is nothing alike these two, far lighter, more of that brightness, definitely more of a spring shade, and another very welcome addition to the new P+ range. The next colour I'd like to compare for you is Let's Get Together, and here I have compared it to Short Skirt Flirt Flirt on the left, which is our only real like coral, bright coral in the current P+ range. So Let's Get Together is a slightly more, I don't want to say red because it's not red, it is a like true neon warm coral, but you can see that Short Skirt Flirt Flirt is definitely lighter, definitely more of that peachy side. So again, this is a really welcome addition, especially coming into the spring and the summer months. This is going to be super popular for your gel polish clients. Moving on to Lazy Day Lavender. And here I have paired this or compared it to Soft Serve on the left and Thank You Note in the middle. You can see that these are nothing alike. Soft Serve is much softer and paler, and Thank You Note has got more of that kind of greyish tone through it. So Lazy Day Lavender is a really nice bright lavender shade. It's not too bluey in tone. It's a true purpley lavender shade. Next is What's in Your Basket. This is a really nice neutral peachy shade. I've compared it here to Short Skirt Flirt Flirt again because it is that peachy coral. And then also a Mother's Memories, which is a peachy shade, but it's slightly more pinky, nudie based. So a Mother's Memory fits in really nicely to the collection, actually looks really beautiful with Let's Get Together, which was the other coral in the collection. So these are going to work really well going into the warmer months. Last but not least, we have Delightful Day, which is a really cute, pretty carnation pink. I've compared it here to 3 pinks within the P+ range, but none of them are really anything similar. So we have 2 straws, 1 shake on the left. Then coming into the middle, we have Pink Pumps and then Sunday Best. And this one kind of fits in really nice with these. I think this will look really nice paired with Pink Pumps. I think the two go really nicely together. So again, a really good addition into the existing range to build that colour collection, especially in the pinks, which are always very popular with clients any time of the year, but especially coming into the spring, summer. And there we have the full P+ Afternoon Picnic Spring collection from Light Elegance. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the description if this is a collection you are going to be picking up, or if you already have and if you are enjoying it. If you are interested in the comparisons with the hard gels, I do have another video focused on the hard gel options and the comparisons in that collection. So check that out. I'll leave that linked in the description and also in the top corner for you. And that brings us to the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Give it a like if you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of those. And I will see you in my next one. Thanks guys. Bye.